Okay, guys, wow. Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well. It's jacobcrypobury here. I'm your host, Jake. Today, we're going to look at AAVE cryptocurrency because, again, it's surged up in price even after having a small pullback. And I'm going to show you why just in a moment. Can we just appreciate first the green bubbles that are just surrounding the whole crypto atmosphere at the moment? Things are looking great, really bullish, and yeah, watch this video until the end to get a nice bit of on-chain analysis as well as my reasoning as to why this project is just going to keep on launching more and more. And what's exciting is we're still just sitting in this Bitcoin season. We're not even in an altcoin season just yet, guys. So also consider that all the euphoria and the impulses and resistances that are breaking right now are just purely fundamentals, and that is why AAVE is doing what it's doing, because it's deploying its V3 on different mainnets. And what I want to show you right now is actually this. I've just spotted something really interesting on the Etherscan 3 minutes ago. We've had a transfer from a whale, an AAVE whale, 20,500 AAVE. Now I just calculate that's around $6 million worth. And when we look at that wallet, we can see this is one of the AAVE giants who's got a wallet of 61.6 million in AAVE, and it looks like they are accumulating more and more at the moment, and this could be a big catalyst as to the price surge for today for AAVE, which is looking absolutely phenomenal. So we're up again another 7% back to that $240 price range with a 3.2 billion market cap and rank 50 in the crypto space. AAVE is making its way up to rank 40, maybe even rank 30 in the next few days or weeks. So we can see we're back to this key resistance area, guys. When we break 245, I'm telling you, it's gonna come up to about $285. So just watch this space and watch it happen. It's very likely. If we look at 2021, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green months. If we look at 2021 quarters, we had 2, and we're starting off Q2 2022 with a green candle right there. So it looks very tasty, very tempting. And why is it tempting? Because we know V3 has not deployed on the Ethereum mainnet just yet. So when it does, I mean, look, when it does, so as you can see here in its technical docs for V3, AAVE says it plans to focus on cross-chain deployments, which may be why it is delaying the launch on Ethereum. So when it does launch on Ethereum, you can only expect we're going to see more massive impulse and pump to the upside. So this gets me bullish. I've been accumulating as much AAVE as possible, especially from these lower levels where we had the double bottom reversal pattern out of the falling wedge into the ascending channel. And that ascending channel is something I did a video on just very recently, and we saw a nice price surge following. So what can I see here on the daily time frame? Well, I can see that we got a nice bullish crossover on the MACD on the 13th of March where we broke out this falling wedge. The ascending triangle took us out through the resistances of 192, which are now flipped into supports, and $214 is now a support level once again. So what's really happening here is that we're going to try and retest this $245 resistance. I'm very confident that we're going to retest this $245 resistance. And what that means is, well, if we just zoom out a little bit, we can see where we had this connecting resistance on the 10th of November, as well as the 29th of December, and also on the 3rd of January. This was a key diagonal resistance. So when we did blast through, it was a very explosive blast through, and you know, there wasn't really much else in the way. We've just euphorically impulsed, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Another bullish indicator here is finally we're above the 200-week moving average, which is a lagging indicator. We can see here when we're usually under it, good time to buy, you come back through. Over here, good time to buy, you come back through, you retest. Down here, you come back up, retest that 200-week SMA. Right now, we're above the SMA, the 200-week moving average, sorry, 200-day moving average, of course, not 200-week. And this is really bullish because we're back above and we're holding above the 200-day moving average. Now, this makes me think, okay, so we're also above the bull market support band for AAVE. We've just got that golden crossover as well for AAVE. So how much more momentum can possibly occur? Well, I think if we do break through 245, 259 is next on the horizon, and when we do hit that 259, if we just quickly go to that weekly time frame, I don't want to sound like a moon boy right here, guys, but if we do, because of this diagonal resistance, you know, I think honestly, if this is the market cycle bottom, the first area of at least a selling target, take profit zone, is going to be $324 and $386. We're not going to talk about any like potential all-time highs for the future just yet, but I do think, you know, the top of this wick right here, right where that Fibonacci extension was, these are great areas for profit taking, and if you get in now, that's potentially where you could be making quite a lot of money on long positions. Of course, not financial advice, do your own research, but we could see a good 30, maybe even 46% pump in the upcoming days for AAVE. Just look at that weekly candles right there. So as you can see, lots of resistance at $245. We're not oversold on the RSI here on the weekly time frame, and we've got our first green candle on the MACD. So we're getting that momentum shift, we're getting that bullish reversal. We had that slanted double bottom, we had the ascending triangle. There's a lot to be bullish about right now for AAVE. So naturally I'm gravitating towards it. These are some of my take profit zones up here at 324 and $347, and you can see that's where a lot of support and resistance has incurred in the past. So really, why am I bullish on AAVE? Fee-free deployment. Of course, it's one of the best lending and borrowing platforms out there, if not the only one worth ever considering. We're above the 200 week and day moving averages. We're above the bull market support band. So these are really key things. When we're above, usually you see continuation to the upside. And even if we go to the 4-hour time frame one more time, you know, we definitely started an uptrend. We've put through a higher high over here because we had the swing high, swing low, high, low, and then we got a higher high at last. It's happened. And even if we come down and just retest one of these lower support levels, it's still going to be a higher low and then possibly put through a higher high. So very pragmatic approach. You know, I think we can see these bigger targets for AAVE over the next few days, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. How bullish are you on AAVE? I'd love to know. This is what happened over the last few days. You see, we got a nice bounce off this $214 support level, and it was exactly on that support level at $213, exactly on that level, which is really nice. So we got bumped at this previous resistance, 242 right here. And that's why this is going to be a big resistance, $245. Hopefully we can bull flag in this position and then see continuation to the upside. We're getting our first green candle here on the 15-minute time frame. It looks super good. Love AAVE. AAVE is just something to be bullish about. Mark Cuban is bullish about this. DeFi degens are bullish about this, and just mainly crypto holders, speculators, investors all over AAVE right now. This will be a top 20 project in the future without a doubt. Do love this project. So if you're new here, guys, jump into the Discord channel. We're literally 200 people strong, like-minded people, traders, speculators, investors, holders. Just come say hello down below. Also want to say massive thank you to the patrons, Cara, Lion Quinn, AUSS, Jordan, Dazane, and Ali. You guys are amazing. Price for coffee. You're going to get some exclusive benefits that will also enhance your crypto journey. So comment down below any suggestions, leave comments, come say hi, don't bite. And yeah, have a great crypto day. Stay safe.